Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best table saws that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Table Saws. It is safe to say that we live in a DIY era. Think about it. When was the last time you went on YouTube or anywhere else online and looked for something that tickled your fancy, a guide on how something is made or done, or maybe a tutorial? Indeed, we do it very often, so why should woodworking and home improvement be any different? With the prices of table saws constantly dipping. Number 5. TacLife 10-inch 15-amp table saw. Its table surface is coated to reduce friction for improved cut quality across the board, while a metal roll cage base provides a sturdy setup and improved durability. Main features: efficient performance, miter gauge and RIP fence, extend table and precision cutting. Number 4. TacLife 2000 watts table saw push bar and rip fence MTSO1A. The specially coated aluminum table surface not only cuts more smoothly, but also no need to worry about hand contact with the surface directly. Main features: multifunction, aluminum expansion table, high-speed blade. Number 3. Skillsaw SPT 9911 10 inches worm drive table saw. Tear through plywood and slice 4x with ease and precision. The rack and pinion system makes fence adjustments quickly and smoothly for accurate cuts. Main features: 16-inch wheels, rugged rolling stand, pinion fence system. Number 2. Works WX572L Blade Runner X2 portable tabletop saw. The rack and pinion fence system enables smooth and accurate cuts. Despite its smaller footprint, the Blade Runner easily handles larger shelving and trim materials. Main features: great at pros and RIP cuts, safety switch, adjustable miter gauge. Number 1. 10-inch 15-amp table saw. Cutting speed up to 4800 RPM. Cutting requires the use of the miter gauge to position and guide the work. Miter angle can be adjusted from 45 degrees to plus 45 degrees according to your demand. Main features: powerful motor, more convenient design, aluminum extension tabletop. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.